Hello, everyone. My name is Fred, and I will be hosting today's Kubernetes 130 release team meeting. Today is February 14th, Valentine's Day, and we are on week 6 of the release cycle. Please be aware that this, as always, is a Kubernetes community meeting that falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct that can be summarized as be excellent to each other. So as I mentioned, this meeting is being recorded and will be posted on YouTube afterwards. So please be mindful of what you say, because it is being recorded. I don't see anything in the open discussion list, so perhaps we should jump right ahead for the team status, starting with enhancements. Tyler.
Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. So for enhancements, our status is green. We're going to be working on getting ready for the upcoming code freeze. We ended up with 64 tracked enhancements, we had a total of 84 that were submitted, 20 of which did not make the milestone. And then we have had 5 exception requests come through, all of which have been accepted. So our status is green and we will be progressing forward.
Excellent. Thank you, Tyler. Are there any questions for enhancements? No? So we'll move ahead to release signal with Annalena.
Hi everyone. So our status is green as well. So we have 13 open issues, including a critical urgent PR, which is about fixing several issues. Also, we started pinging people at bug triage, so new issues and PRs to remind that code freeze soon in a month or so. So yeah, green.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Are there any questions for release signal? Okay, so we'll move into docs with Daniel.
Hey everyone. Update from docs team. Our current status is green as well. Everybody has been kind of on top of their bi-weekly branch things, which is cool. We are starting to track docs for their deadlines, and we're reaching out, or I guess our first step is to reach out in comments to remind all our kind of enhancement contributors about the draft PR deadline being next Thursday. Most of us have completed all the reminders, but they should be done by end of today or tomorrow to give 1 week kind of notice. Thanks.
Oh, thank you, Daniel. Any questions for docs? Everything looks so green that it's really uneventful, which is good, to be honest. Now to release notes with Satyam.
Hello everyone, I am Satyam. Release notes. So we have reached out to the 6 for major themes. You can check the GitHub discussion, and we are awaiting the creation of alpha.2 branch, which is in progress, which will be drafted by Orlin most probably this week. That's it.
And that's great. Thank you very much, Satya. Many questions for release notes? Oh, moving to comms with Abigail.
Hello, everyone. So our update is we're green. We've reached out to all the SIGs in Slack to remind and encourage them to create feature blogs for their KEPs. We're also planning to follow up to reach out to all of the individual KEP owners directly in the issues in the this week to remind them about the opt-in for creating a feature blog and starting to create their placeholder PRs. In collaboration with the release lead, we've decided to write a mid-cycle blog to highlight the major changes. There isn't as many removal as low deprecation, so this time we're going to focus on the changes that are coming in this release, and we should have a draft ready coming next week.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Abigail. Any questions, comments, or cons? No, so moving to release branch management with Mark.
I think our status is green. Yesterday was the 1.30.0 Alpha 2 release that finished up yesterday. There was one failure on the container image promotion that succeeded on retry, and then the rest of the release went out, or should have finished up yesterday. And right after this meeting, I'm going to send out the announcement email.
Great, splendid. Thank you, Mark.
Yeah.
Any questions for release branch management? No, we'll move into Emeritus Advisor with Grace, but I seem to remember, I don't know if this still applies, that there's a time difference that perhaps is also affects this meeting. I seem to remember Kat mentioning this. Yeah.
She's in APAC for the holiday.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect. So well, we'll move directly to our release lead, Kat. So you can pick it up.
Hello, y'all. I have reminded the tech leads and SIG leads that we're going to have a docs freeze this cycle. So hopefully that heads off some trouble, but I still expect that to not go like super duper smoothly, just by virtue of it's new and it's been however many cycles of people being able to treat that last docs deadline like it's soft. So hopefully we're just trying to mitigate at this point, but some people are going to miss it. I'm doing what I can. I wanted to float the idea. I talked to the comms team about this last night, being a little bit more collaborative about the major themes discussion. Currently, like having done it from the comms side, at least, there's a point in doing it where it feels like you're just like kind of begging people to make a decision and begging people to make suggestions and respond to you. So after a little while of soliciting feedback from the SIGs, I wanted to see how we all felt about getting on a group meeting and just hammering out the outline together, like making those decisions on a call. If you don't want to do that, that's totally fine. You can tell me no. You're welcome to say no, I don't want to do that. But I thought it might make it just a touch easier on both comms and release notes if that was something we did together, rather than kind of having this like weird wobbly timeline where there's a whole bunch of gaps and begging people to respond and decisions get made at the 11th hour type of situation. So you don't have to make that decision now, but it's just a thing that I was thinking about doing. That's it. I don't have any updates. Does anybody have any questions for me? Okay, back to you.
Thank you, Kat. So we have also SIG scalability. Anyone giving an update on it?
I think that the person who left this note is not here because they left that note like hours ago,
Okay.
UK time. So they're definitely not in the US, I think. But yeah, I will flag this up to SIG Networking if they haven't already seen it.
Excellent, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, since it only had the nick, I maybe there was someone here, but I didn't know the name. But that makes a lot more sense. So I guess that with everything green, mostly, at least of the major themes that we have, this is looking pretty good. Is there anything anyone wants to add while recording before I finish the recording the session? No, so I'll stop the recording now, and let's